guys! Welcome to my channel and today share ko sa inyo yung experience ko. First time kong makapag-out of country and I went to Thailand and yeah, sobrang excited ako noon. Then I'll make this video just to share my experience and for the first time traveler katulad ko, just to give some tips, maybe useful sa inyo kung magta-travel kayo. So, yeah. So, now I will give you the 3 major requirements ng immigration pag lumabas ka ng bansa na for the country na wala siyang visa, which is usually Asia. I don't know the other country, but yeah, I just knew a few because based on my experience in Thailand and Malaysia. So in Thailand, there's no visa, but if you will travel alone and it's your first time, then there's a big chance na i-hold ka nila o tatanong silang question sa iyo about your trip. 3 they have 3 main requirements for it. The first one is your passport. So yeah, you should have it always with you. Dapat di yung expire. Just be. And the second is your ticket. So if ever magto-tourist ka sa ibang bansa, you need a return ticket, your onward ticket, yung papunta doon at saka pauwi mo dito na ticket. So yun yung usually tinatanong nila. And the third one is how much money you have. Sa experience ko, hindi nila tinanong or tinignan yung ATM cards ko or yung bank statements, but for your sake, just prepare any bank statements or your last withdrawal nyo, tas i-keep nyo lang yung receipt or yung sa receipt dun sa pag-withdraw nyo dun sa balance account. Tapos accommodation, if you have hotel bookings or itinerary about sa pupuntahan mo na country. Tapos, yan yung usually tatanungin nila, anong purpose mo doon? So, ang purpose mo doon is to travel. So, you must, you should have that itinerary para magamit mo or ma-present mo sa kanila na legit yung pagta-travel mo doon sa ibang bansa as a tourist. So, yun. Or, sa case ko is sa accommodation, wala akong, iba yung ibigay ko kasi hindi ako nagbubook kasi yung boyfriend ko is andun na. So, ang ginawa nila sa akin is, if, for example, you will visit a relative. So, in my case, I visit my boyfriend. So, yeah, because we will travel together. So, yung hiningi nila sa akin is, invitation letter from my boyfriend na he put there na doon ako magsistay. Tas sa letter, ilalagay niya yung complete address kung saan siya nagsistay. And they asked me also for the passport copy of him and the passport stamp of him kung kailan siya dumating sa Thailand. So yeah, just for sure. Tapos yun, in my case, marami silang tinanong kasi usually yung iba hindi pa nagmi-meet. So, yeah, for me, in my case, yeah, marami silang tinanong pero ibinigay ko yung lahat ng answer and I know they did that for our good also because sa sitwasyon ngayon, yeah, we know already what happened in the real world. So, yun, yung tinanong nila sa akin is about sa relationship namin ng boyfriend ko, how long na kami, or do we have pictures. So yeah, if may relative kayo, yung gusto nila is proof. So sa akin yung boyfriend ko, so tinanong nila ako kung how long na kami together, nagkita na ba kami, then may other travels ba kami out of country, or may travels ba kami within the country, or na-meet na ba niya yung family ko, tapos yung friends ko. So I showed them some pictures of us. Then they said if I have a latest chat conversation of him between me and him. So I showed them my messenger. So other thing for that is you should charge your phone. So if you're a first time traveler, charge your phone, kasi yan yung worst na na-experience ko. Kasi lowbat yung phone ko, and I won't be able to, to show them the picture because lowbat. At ginawa ng case officer, kasi na-hold ako. Kasi first time kong travel yan, and I didn't have any stamp sa passport ko. So, yun. Marami silang tinanong sa akin. May pina-fill up pa nila ako ng form. Yeah. Tas, yun. Ang ginawa ng case officer, charge niya yung phone ko. Tiningnan niya lahat yung pictures, chat namin ng boyfriend, summary of the requirements that I showed to the immigration officer in the airport. Kasi na-hold ako kasi first time ko, diba? So, first is the passport. Second is itinerary. Yung pauwi mo na itinerary or bookings. Ang third is accommodation if you will travel alone or with your friends. And then if you travel with, may relatives kayo or boyfriend doon, so yun, invitation letter, passport stamp, if ang pupuntahan mo dun is yung boyfriend mo, you should give them some evidence. And yeah, the pictures, the chats, yeah, that proves na may relationship kayo talaga. So then I include also my because I worked in Philippines noon, so I also include my certificate of employment. So yeah, ang reason ko dun is to prove na I have enough fund or money para mag-travel ako, or yeah, as a tourist. So, or else I have a reason para bumalik sa Pilipinas kasi may work ako dito. So, yan yung na-experience ko, and yeah, nakahabol pa ako sa flight ko kasi muntika na talaga hindi ako makapasa sa immigration kasi it's my first time to travel outside Philippines, and it's my first time to have wala pang stamp yung passport ko, so it's my first time to go out in the country, and I go there alone. So yeah, expect that to happen kung you travel alone and it's your first time na maka-travel yourself. I made it. I went to Thailand and yeah, stay with my boyfriend for 5 days, and worth it talaga yung effort. So you should research, prepare this possible or the main requirements and the possible. You should prepare all of them because the immigration might ask you about it. So much better to prepare than nakapag-leave ka na sa work, or yeah, you have a lot of plans to go out in the country and may travel ticket ka na pabalik, so you spend a lot already just to book somewhere, and ang mangyayari is ma-hold ka lang or ma-offload ka. So that's the term, ma-offload ka, or hindi ka maka-travel outside the Philippines. So it's better na magdala ka ng a folder or anything that can prove to them na legit yung pagta-travel mo, and yung purpose mo is to visit or spend quality time outside the country, or yeah, just to relax. So yan guys, yung first experience ko outside the country, and I travel alone, and this requirements and my drama in the airport. So I hope it can give you tips on yeah, if you want to travel. And please like this video if you think I help you, I give you some tips about your travel. And please subscribe, and please watch my next video, which is my second travel in Malaysia and in New Zealand. So thank you guys and good day.